हेलो, आज हम कर रहे हैं एडवर्ब की प्रैक्टिस। तो उसके लिए वी हैव 20 सेंटेंसेस वाली क्विज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं कि आंसर कर पाते हैं कि नहीं। Which word is the adverb in this sentence? The star shines brightly in the sky. Brightly, night, stars या shine?
Brightly.
Brightly is the word. This word describes how the stars shine, which makes it an adverb. Let's move to the next question. Choose a correct adverb of time. Time वाला बताना है. I will visit my grandmother quickly. There, tomorrow या blue?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the one. The word correctly answers. This word correctly answers the question when the visit will happen. Let's move to the next question. Next question is identify the adverb of place. हमें place बतानी है. The little bird flew away. Bird क्या है? Noun. Flew is a verb. Away is a adverb and little is again. तो अब flew कैसे करा है? Little is a adjective. Bird कैसा है? Little. तो flew away is the word. So answer is away. This word tells us a direction or place where the bird flew. Let's move to the next question. Select the adverb that describes how someone is speaking. Ronika spoke kindly to the new student. तो कैसे बोली वो? Kindly. Ronika is a noun. Student is a noun. To is a preposition. तो kindly is an adverb. This word describes a nice manner in which she spoke. Let's move to the next question. Fill the blank with an adverb. The tortoise walked up green shell या slowly. कैसे चला होगा? Shell में? Green is a color. Up नहीं. Slowly is the answer. Slowly चला होगा. This describes the typical speed of a tortoise walk. Let's move to the next question. Find the adverb of the time. We should always wash our hands before eating. Wash, always, hands या eating. क्या होना चाहिए? We should always wash. क्या करना चाहिए? Wash करना चाहिए. तो always is a adverb. This tells us a frequency or time that action should happen. Let's move to the next question. Identify the adverb here again. The rain fell heavily during the storm. Rain is a noun. Fell, गिरी, verb है. Storm is a name. तो heavily is the answer. Adverb is heavily. This describes the strength or a manner of falling rain. Let's move to the next question. And the next question says, which word is an adverb of place here? Put the book inside the box. Inside the bag. Put the book inside the bag. तो book put inside your bag. कहाँ रखनी है? Book को inside रखनी है. Put the book inside the bag. Inside is the answer. This word tells us where to put the book. कहाँ डालना है book को? कहाँ रखना है? Let's move to the next question. The team played happily after winning. The team played happily after winning. Played is a verb. Happily is adverb. So answer is happily. This describes the joyful manner of playing. Let's move to the next question. Today is a beautiful day for a picnic. Today is a beautiful day for a picnic. इसमें एडवर्ब ढूंढना है टाइम का. तो पिकनिक, टुडे, डे या ब्यूटीफुल? आंसर इज टुडे. This word tells us specific time. Let's move to the next question. Identify the adverb. The soldiers marched bravely into battle. Soldiers ने march करा कैसे? Bravely. तो आप verb ढूंढे पहले. Verb है marched और कैसे करा? जैसे कोई भी वर्ड वर्ब के साथ आता है वही एडवर्ब होता है. तो मार्च वर्ब है, सोल्जर्स नाउन है और ब्रेवली इज अ एडवर्ब. आंसर इज ब्रेवली. The word describes the courage manner of marching. Let's move to the next question. Which word is an adverb of place in this sentence? The puppy follows me everywhere. ये puppy जो है मुझे हर जगह follow करता है. Everywhere, follow, follows me या puppy. क्या है इसके अंदर adverb? Everywhere is the answer. This word tells us the location. All places where the puppy follows. Next question is, the wind blew fiercely during the night. Again, the wind is a noun. Blew मतलब चली. कैसे चली? Fiercely. तो blew है verb और fiercely is an answer. This describes the powerful manner in which the wind blew. Let's move to the next question. Choose the adverb of time now. We play saucer weekly. हम कब खेलते हैं saucer? Weekly में. तो saucer is a verb और कब खेलते हैं? Weekly. Time बता रहा है. Answer is weekly. This tells us how often or at what time interval the game is played. Let's move to the next question. Identify the adverb. He writes neatly in his notebook. He writes, he is a pronoun. Writes मतलब verb. तो कैसे लिखता है? Neatly. Again adverb जो है verb के साथ आता है. This describes the clean manner of his handwriting. And notebook is a noun. In this sentence, which word is an adverb of place? The children are playing outside. Children जो है noun है. Playing is a verb. और कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? Outside. That is an adverb. So answer is outside. ये location भी बता रहा है. बच्चे कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? Place. बाहर खेल रहे हैं. This word tells us where the children are playing. So the right answer is outside. Let's move to the next question. Find the adverb in this sentence. The singer sang beautifully. Singer क्या है? Noun है. Sang is a verb. और कैसे गाया? Adverb is beautifully. So singer beautifully sang and song में से beautifully is an answer. Next question is, and beautifully describe the pleasing manner of the singing. Let's move to the next question. Which of these is an adverb of time? Soon the movie will start. Soon मतलब जल्द ही. The movie is a noun. Will start शुरू हो जाएगी. तो ये verb है. तो soon is the answer. Start, will, soon, movie में से soon is the answer. This word indicates when the movie will begin. Let's move to the next question. And it says, the car stopped suddenly. We have to identify the adverb here again. Red है ही नहीं कार का ये तो कलर है. Stopped मतलब रुक गई. It's a verb. Car is a noun. Suddenly कैसे रुकी? Suddenly. तो answer is suddenly. This describes a quick and unexpected manner of stopping. ये भी याद रखिए कि जब भी adverb होगा तो mostly उसके पीछे L और Y लगा होता है उसको दर्शाने के लिए कि ये verb कैसे हुआ है, काम कैसे हुआ है. Let's move to the next question. And the last question. Which word is an adverb of place? Go upstairs and get my bag. Go upstairs and get my bag. ऊपर जाओ और मेरा बैग ले आओ. Go upstairs. ऊपर जाओ. ये है verb. Go is verb. Upstairs जाओ. ऊपर and get my bag. तो and तो और हो गया conjunction. Bag is a noun. Get is a verb. Upstairs is the answer. So answer is upstairs. Well, the answer is right. This tells us where to go. Well, my video ends here. I hope आपको adverb समझ में आ गया होगा because we have done it beautifully and I have explained to you everything clearly. I hope आपको पसंद आई होगी वीडियो. अगली बार फिर मिलूंगे नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक take care, enjoy and bye.